Hello my friends, welcome back here to the channel. For today I have this project that was a suggestion of a subscriber here to the channel. I made here the drawings to help you follow the instructions. You can download here to design this project. Remember to subscribe here to the channel to receive more projects like that. Let's start. Create a new design. We can select the Z and the X plane. Start create a horizontal line. This line you can change to center line. This have a 400 millimeters. 400 millimeters. And we can start design some lines here. Here. Start some measurements that the first is 40 millimeters. Take this horizontal line with the center line, 40 millimeters. The next will be 60 millimeters. The next is a diameter of 70 millimeters and a distance of 40 millimeters. This is a diameter of 70 millimeters and 40 millimeters here. Now we can start design this groove here, here, here. This is a diameter of 125 millimeters. This diameter is 125 millimeters. This line is a collinear with that. This have 15 millimeters and that have 15 millimeters. This distance is 120 millimeters. The internal diameter is 7 millimeters. We can apply here a measurement like that, 70 millimeters, or I delete this, or select the collinear constraint and align with this 70 millimeters diameter we have here. You can create here a line in the middle when this triangular appears. Create a vertical line, change to construction, and we can select this distance. There is the 120 millimeters divided by 2. This is always on the middle, and this is the 50 millimeters distance. We can create another segment with 70 millimeters diameter with 60 millimeter distance. Another line here. Here. We can create collinear here with the 70 millimeters distance and a distance of 60 millimeters. The next will be 40 millimeters diameter with 75 millimeters distance. We can create another collinear with 40 millimeters and a 75 millimeters distance. And the left part needs to be 30 millimeters diameter. Finish this part here, here, 30 millimeters distance. And this profile is done. Finish the sketch. Select the revolve tool. As we did this as a center line, we already created the revolve. Select full and click OK. And now we have our design done. Thanks for the subscriber that suggests this design to bring here to the channel. Thank you so much, and consider here to subscribe and follow the new designs that I made here for the channel. See you in the next video and think about the possibilities.